I'm going to marinate chicken. I have taken 500 grams chicken. Put 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, half cup curd, 3 tablespoons of lemon, 1 spoon chili powder, Garam Masala, 1 spoon salt. Mix it well. Aside for 2 hours or for whole night. Take pan now and put 2 tablespoons of oil. The chicken and fry it for 15 minutes. Fry 15 minutes. After frying, keep the chicken aside. Now put 4 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 4 red chillies. Mix it. Fry for a while. Now put 3 finely chopped onions. Mix it. Onions should turn golden brown. Now after some time, mix it. Now as the onion has turned golden brown, we'll put 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 cup tomato puree. Mix it. Two tablespoons of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala. Mix them properly. Now put half cup water till the raw smell has gone. Now add half bowl of cashews. Must be 35 pieces. Mix it and cook it for 5 minutes. Now cool the mixture. Put the mixture in the bowl. Keep it aside. Now we will keep the mixture for some time. Let it cool. Now I will add the mixture in the jar. And we'll put little bit of water and we'll make the paste. Now I've made the paste. Now take pan and put 4 tablespoons of butter, add red chili powder 2 tablespoons, add 1 spoon curd, beaten curd, one more spoon, 2 spoon curd, and mix it. Mix it for a while. Add paste, onion and tomato paste. Mix it. Fry it for 5 minutes. Now stir it. Add 1 cup water. Cook for 5 minutes. Now we are going to add chicken pieces in this. Add a little bit of water and mix it. Now put 2 tablespoons of cream, salt to taste, mix it. Now cover it and cook it for 20 minutes till the chicken is tender. Now take one more pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil, 2 tablespoons of ghee, and half spoon red chili powder. Add little bit of 1 spoon curd and mix it. Fry for a while. Now add this ghee and oil in the chicken pan. Now mix it. After mixing, add some kasuri methi on it. Dalchini powder. Little bit of jeera powder on it. Now mix it little bit more. Now the chicken is ready. Go. Now sprinkle some coriander leaves on it. Now you can have this with the roti.